A flat tire never happens at a convenient time. It is always dark, always raining, or you are always dressed up somewhere important. Knowing how to change a tire is a life skill every driver should have, and it is simpler than you think. I am going to walk you through every step so when it happens to you, you are ready. First, if you get a flat while driving, do not panic and do not slam the brakes. Gradually slow down, put your hazard lights on, and get as far off the road as possible onto flat, stable ground. Never change a tire on a slope or soft ground. If you are on a highway and it is not safe to change it, stay in your car with your seatbelt on and call for help. Step 1. Gather your equipment. Your car should have a spare tire, a jack, and a lug wrench stored in the trunk or underneath the vehicle. Locate these before you need them, not when you are stranded in the dark. Step 2. Loosen the lug nuts before you jack the car up. This is the step most beginners skip. While the flat tire is still on the ground, use the lug wrench to break the lug nuts loose counterclockwise. Just loosen them. Do not remove them yet. If you try to do this after the car is in the air, the wheel will just spin. The weight of the car on the ground is what holds the wheel still. Step 3. Position the jack correctly. Check your owner's manual for the jack points. These are reinforced spots on the frame designed to hold the weight of the car. Placing the jack in the wrong spot can dent or crack the vehicle. Position the jack correctly, then raise the car until the flat tire is about 6 inches off the ground. Step 4. Remove the flat and install the spare. Now finish removing the lug nuts completely and put them somewhere safe like your pocket. Pull the flat tire off and set it aside. Lift the spare onto the hub and hand thread the lug nuts back on in a star pattern, not in a circle. The star pattern makes sure the wheel seats evenly. Tighten them snugly by hand. Step 5. Lower the car and fully tighten. Lower the jack until the spare is on the ground with the full weight of the car on it. Now tighten the lug nuts fully with the wrench, again in a star pattern. Use your body weight to get them tight. Always do the final tightening with the car on the ground, never in the air. Step 6. Check the spare tire pressure. Most spare tires, especially compact donut spares, require 60 psi. Compact spares are not meant for highway speeds over 50 miles per hour and should not be driven more than 50 to 70 miles. Get your original tire repaired or replaced as soon as possible. Step 7. Stow your equipment. Put the flat tire, jack, and lug wrench back in the trunk and make sure the jack is secured. And get that flat looked at. Sometimes it is just a nail and a $20 plug repair is all you need. Now you know everything you need to know about changing a flat tire. If this helped you out, smash that like button and subscribe for more real-world car tips. Drop a comment below with any questions. I read every single one. See you in the next one.